costume change, courtesy of Silvert's post-op care. I have a cape. We're getting out, baby. Cool. Oh wow, this is a nice lobby.
You ever see the? You gotta see the look.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't.
Anybody comes to visit you, they
Dang.
come out here and chill a
Wow.
bit. It's 180 degrees.
What was it? What'd you get? Oh yeah. 34 treatments.
36.
Daddy's headed home.
Let's get the heck out of here. No, as your dad said, let's get the fuck out of here.
Let's do. All right.
Oh. Hello?
No.
Hello? No. Welcome home, Daddy. So my first meal at home after getting back from the hospital. This is the portion that I'm eating now. I eat as much as a toddler. Let's see if I can keep it down, but good morning, everybody. First full day home. So yesterday, after dinner, it all stayed down, but my wife and I were tracking the calories, and I only had 600 calories in total yesterday. So we're gonna work a lot harder to get used to this new lifestyle today. One hard-boiled egg is 70 calories. And if I have one hard-boiled egg starting at like 6 in the morning, and I finish that by like 7, then I have another one at 7, and at 8, and then by 8 I've already had 140 calories. And then at 8, if I eat something like, maybe like a high-calorie oatmeal or something, I can maybe get to 400 calories before 10 o'clock. And usually, like a healthy amount of calories is 2,000 for my body type and height and everything. But we're just gonna aim for 1,500 today. So it's crazy. It's crazy. This is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna eat this one hard-boiled egg for the next hour. I hope. First breakfast went down okay, and now it's time for second breakfast. This is the amount that I feel comfortable eating. Cheese is my third breakfast, my third meal of the day. It is 80 calories. This is the first slice of cheese that I've had, so I think I'm tolerating dairy. So hopefully I can still tolerate dairy. One thing that I'm really worried about right now is like just I tolerate a lot right now, but that might change over time. So I hope I can continue to tolerate and just continue to like eat somewhat normally, without any big like lactose problems or gluten problems or things like that. But cheese, one slice of cheese. I ate 2 hard-boiled eggs. The mic wasn't on for like 2 days of recording, since yesterday at least. Or the day before? I have thrush, everyone. I found out yesterday. This camera sometimes annoys the shit out of me. For realsies. I feel like from Emperor's New Groove. Like, why do we even have that lever? It's a setting on this camera that, like, the button's so close to the power button, and then you can just, like, click it, and then all of a sudden there's no sound on one of the settings. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. I was just venting about having a toddler and how it's hard. Yesterday, I think I was talking about healing, and I don't even know what I was talking about. Having a toddler after surgery is hard. I have thrush, which is like a fungal thing in the mouth that happens after surgery sometimes. And at least I found the issue. So that's good. God. Being my own producer is hard. Vlogging is hard. Making sure sound is on is annoying. Making sure the right frame rate, making sure all these things is difficult. And it's just adding to my frustration and anxiety around healing. Day 4.
In your bathing suit! Oh no.
We're just getting Zelda ready for school.
Okay.
But
You got it!
the good news is that I've put on weight. But feeling like a routine. And if you thought it was hard to vlog, it's really just hard to do. If you thought it was hard to vlog in general, try to vlog with a toddler running around all the time. Babies don't stop you from doing things. Toddlers do.
You don't smelly.
Me? I'm not smelly.
Yeah, you are.
I put deodorant on.
But babe, sunscreen. Do you want to do it or do you want me to?
Food log. Doing this all the time. What's your favorite part about the food log?
Oh, it's so fun. I love it.
Zai!
Our baby.
Our babies! They're on the couch.
It's super fun. It's like really fun to make like a whole big amount of food and then try to figure out how many calories he ate of that recipe.
So you're telling me that how much is
like
a
1
teaspoon-
ounce.
How
Like
much is a teaspoon of sauce?
like how many tablespoons are in 4 ounces? It's like a whole thing, and it breaks my brain every day.
Kelsey's keeping me alive. I am legitimately terrified to eat this right now. It is just tuna with mayonnaise and crackers. It looks so big, and I am actually scared. I think I'm scared because I don't know how to eat it. I know how to eat it before, but I don't know how to eat it right now. So good news, everyone. The food went down fine. It just took me an hour and a half, almost 2 hours to eat it. Oh my God. I need to talk about something that happened yesterday that I didn't get to really talk about. I hadn't pooped in like 2.5 days, and I was feeling nervous. So I went out and bought some Benefiber. And the recommended dose of the Benefiber is 2 scoops, consume it, wait a few hours, 2 scoops, consume it, wait a few hours, 2 scoops, consume it. I weighed 185 pounds yesterday in the morning. After taking Benefiber, I weighed 182 pounds. So if you're wondering, is Benefiber a good product? Yeah, it is. It works, but it'll overwork. What?
You just finished 1,700 calories, maybe more,
In one day.
in one day, and that's cheese, that's dairy, that's fruit, that's vegetables, that's rice,
Turkey,
animal protein,
chicken,
yep, mashed potatoes.
broccoli,
Wait, do you have mashed potatoes? Yeah, you have mashed
Yeah.
potatoes today.
RX bar, protein shake,
Pouch.
pouch.
Can't forget the pouch. That is amazing. I'm like blown away. I am.
Just take it day by day. Good days, bad days. Good days, bad days.
You've had one bad day.
Good days, bad days. Good days, bad days.
You
did it. You did it, though.
Yeah, I was planning. My planning.
You did it. I'm proud of you. It has been 1 week. It has been 1 week since I have been home.
Yes.
We made it.
Made
it. If you're thinking about getting the surgery and you are a young individual with youth still in your little old bones, I would just go for it, honestly, because all my other organs work really well. And I think they are pulling overtime, but it is also very helpful. So I've been keeping all the food down, which is great. We haven't been taking a lot of like huge swings, but more later. 1 week, we made it, fam. So that filming ended very abruptly because it became normal very quickly. I'm sitting here and I'm editing the vlog, trying to get it out, and I just realized that like everything became so normal so quickly that I didn't feel like I had to film it, even though my life has completely altered and changed. That's wild. So say it's just normal if you watch this whole video. Thanks, everybody.